reporting live from the Old Dominion. Welcome back to Virginia. Headed today towards Bryce Resort, located in Basye, Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 500 feet of vertical. They offer 8 total trails here at Bryce. I believe about 2 are open. It's about 33 degrees. They should have had an opportunity to snow make overnight, so it should be pretty decent conditions out there for early season skiing. Last year, this was my first mountain I attended, and I actually hadn't developed the shred score yet. So today we're going to be assessing it a shred score. I believe, in the words of Coolio, this is the learner's paradise for mountains in the region. They offer the best opportunity to get out there to learn. It's uncrowded, unlike other local resorts like Whitetail or Liberty, if you're interested in that. And I believe the lesson prices are lower as well. Looking forward to getting back out there. I'll see y'all on the slopes, and let's get ripping.
Here's your flip ticket.
Welcome to Bryce Mountain, folks. This is a blue. And we are ripping vertical 500. We're getting down here quick. Let's go. Woo! Hold on, boys. Welcome to the East Coast. My first time ever using the helmet cam. Maybe you guys get a different angle.
Well, we're all wrapped up here at Bryce Resort here in Basye, Virginia. What a day it was out there. Had a great time. I'm going to be giving it a shred score. 2.9 is the shred score. Still finished higher than Massanutten, but friendly environment, great vibe all around. Had a great time out there, even though they only had 1 trail open. It's still worth coming out here to get your first turns in or whatever you're after to learn. It's actually something unique. It's actually the only spot in the country with a library, an airport, a ski resort, and a golf course. So if you're pilot, head on in. There's no air traffic control here. Pretty unique spot. So I enjoyed my time out here. Looking to get to Blue Mountain in Palmerton, Pennsylvania next time, and I'll see y'all out there.